Hello everybody, it is me. I am here in a new location. As you can tell, this is not my bedroom, this is not my garage, this is my dorm room. I am currently in college. So this was the drastic change that was coming, inevitably. And so I wanted to go ahead and make a little bit of a snippet, adding to one of the videos or making a whole separate video, of saying that I'm in college now. I am here, this is my side of the room, my desk with my YouTube channel because I'm checking out all the videos and I remembered, I'm like, oh, I need to keep going. So here we are, here's my dorm room, set up. Bed, everything underneath. I got 2 roommates, but that aside, I am in college now, which means content will either increase or decrease, because the cool thing is I'm actually an hour away from a track now instead of 3 hours, and I'm only 2 hours away from Tampa with a bunch of friends, which I actually will go ahead and probably make a video about that. And that's what this video will be about. You know what? This is gonna be a whole separate video. Let's go. Let's give you guys an extra video. So this is gonna be actually me showing my whole Tampa trip. There's not much to it, so it's gonna be a short video. Nonetheless, the main point of this video is to go ahead and tell you guys that I am now in college. It is a big drastic change, but a fun one and a positive one. And so we're gonna keep moving forward. I'm still gonna be posting videos about Suki going to the drift track. I can guarantee you guys I will be giving you guys some car show content, some car event content. We've actually got Slammed Enough coming up in December, Slammed Enough Daytona. So if you guys don't already know, I do post a lot more on other social medias like TikTok and Instagram. Both the tags right here. All of the tags are the same, Suki_Z33. And let's go ahead and go over to the clips of Tampa, and I will see you guys hopefully soon with another cool video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, the little bit that I have, as well as the pictures. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Isolated eyes, a messy mind. Think I need to help you, I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby, hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. Couldn't keep your poker face. But boy, you kept me waiting when I wanted to race. Sweet as hell, baby, you're a sugar rush.